guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlogmas video. Sorry if you hear a lot of noise. I'm at my sister's house, so I'm gonna give you guys a little decoration tour of her house, and we're also going to be making gingerbread houses. We're gonna have a little competition. So if you guys remember, I got this in my shopping video. So I got this mini village gingerbread kit. It comes with 4 houses. It includes icing, the little candies and stuff. So we're gonna have a little competition, and we're gonna bake actual cookie brownies because nobody eats these things. And we're gonna play games and hang out, and I'll show you all her decorations.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belts. Drinking up wine.
Okay, we're about to start.
Ooh, wait, are we doing this sober?
Knead and massage the icing pouch.
Yeah, it says knead it for 2 minutes. And separate 4 houses into individual panels.
Are we all sharing this icing?
Yes. And lay the front and back. John's best house, and then you decorate.
They kind of look like Canode.
Oh look, there's little
They have
like,
signs.
Okay, I'm gonna pick the one I want.
They don't.
Oh yeah, they are. Oh, so we have to pick the type of house?
Limits our
The
creativity.
Santa house is freaking...
So I think I'm showing.
Okay, so
But I think you go put the signs on.
and then I get the whatever's left.
Okay, so we have our little.
I'm gonna make a nice balcony.
Should we get a napkin?
Sweet shop.
We have some.
Wait, so I need to get
napkins so we can put
napkins or bowls?
bowls. Maybe. Yeah.
No.
Oh, I have little bowls.
Yeah.
Just a little...
Okay, we're gonna make this real cute. I probably should have got more candy as I'm getting yelled at, but it's fine.
No, but we can send her pictures.
Yeah.
As I was gonna say, we can take pictures.
Yeah.
And then you can also put the pictures like on your vlog, so that we have to share everything. So it's like...
Okay, we need paper towels at
Oh,
least.
we're sharing.
Okay, we're about to start this bake off. So you guys, if you guys know what Cupcake Wars is, you have time, like a certain amount of time to get the baking done. So we're gonna take 30 minutes and we're gonna compete. Okay, we're gonna put a timer of 30 minutes to complete our houses to the best of our ability, and we are sharing the things in the box. We're gonna be sharing all the things. Obviously, we have our own house pieces because there's different houses. There's like the different style houses, I guess you could say. So we're gonna be sharing the decorations because I'm dumb and I didn't get extra candy or icing. So we're gonna share, we're gonna get it done in 30 minutes, and then we're gonna FaceTime people to judge on whose house they thought was the best. And also you guys can comment down below which house you also think was the best, and let the competition begin.
Oh my god, Brie!
Okay guys, we are starting. Wish us luck.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come let us adore him. Come let us adore him.
Your time is up, actually, ma'am.
You have to count.
10, 9, 8, 7.
Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come let us adore him. Come let us adore him. Come, faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come let us adore him. Come let us adore. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels.
The first Noel, the angels did say, was to certain poor shepherds in the fields as they lay. The first Noel, the angels did say, was to certain poor shepherds in the fields as they lay.
Caleb, put your house over here. Bree, put your house over here so we could call.
We're about to be done.
Was to certain poor shepherds in the fields as they lay.
The winner is the sweet shop.
And first place, one to the right of the middle.
Okay, so far I have the most votes for coming in first. It's just like a tie between Santa's house. So, but they all came out good. It was fun. It was funny. It was a good challenge. We're playing Clue and watching the fight. Oh my goodness. What a nice surprise. Hi guys, I'm back home from my sister's house and what a nice surprise. This vlog is kind of like a finally getting in the Christmas spirit video, I guess. I was not expecting this coming back home, so I think I mentioned in another vlog how I was sad about, you know, not having our Christmas tree up and our decor up because we're, like I said, we're going to redo the living room and stuff, paint. So I was under the impression, because my mom kept telling me that they wanted to finish that first before putting up the tree, and like Christmas is slowly approaching, quickly approaching I mean, and it's already December 11th. So yeah, I went to my sister's house, saw her decorations for the first time on her tree and her first tree in her own place and stuff, so it was fun. We chilled, played games, as you guys saw, did the gingerbread house, which was so much fun. It was just really funny. And then to walk into the house late, it's like 1 a.m. right now, and have the Christmas tree up. We obviously didn't put the ornaments up because our tradition is always to do it together, but just seeing the lights, seeing the little village that my mom has, our stockings and all the Christmas lights, it just feels so cozy and homey in here, and I'm really happy that it's up now. It's like just such a vibe, especially since I'm done with school and like getting up early, doing YouTube work, and just sitting on the couch with the lights and like a Christmas movie in the back and some coffee. It's like my typical morning, and just what I love. And honestly, I love the holidays, and I feel like I'm finally getting in the spirit since I just finished the semester basically yesterday. So it feels good to finally be getting in the spirit. I'm gonna carry this into tomorrow as well. I'll show you more of like the decor. I'm not sure if we're decorating tomorrow or what, but I will give you guys more of a tour. And yeah, I also am going to put up a string of lights in my room and stuff tomorrow as well. So we'll do that, and it'll be so cozy in the morning. So I'm happy.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside.
It is Sunday. It's actually 11:11 right now. I just put my laundry in the wash, and we're going to be putting up the ornaments on the tree soon, which I'm really excited about. So fully getting in the spirit. I'm really excited to be putting up the ornaments, and everything will be set up. I know they didn't like paint and like do the work they wanted to do just because like with time and everyone's schedule and stuff, so they decided to put up the tree and the decorations while we were out yesterday. So it's not like our living room is done and complete, but you guys will see the renovation part after the holidays and stuff. So I'm just really happy and excited. We're waiting for my sister. She's gonna come over because we always put up the ornaments together always, so we're gonna do that. And our tree is very like kid friendly, and I love it. It's just, I feel like that's the type of tree that I want for my future house one day, like with my family and stuff, is like to have like kid friendly ornaments. Like we have all of our ornaments that we've obviously gotten growing up, traditional homey cozy vibes.
It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside, outside,
Okay, we're adding a little more decoration to the room. Okay, it's now a cute little vibe. I really like the subtle wreath with the warm white lights, and then the colorful vibes, and my little decorative tree that I got from TJ Maxx. But I think it's really cute and really makes anything colorful in here. Can't wait to watch Christmas movies for like the next 2 weeks straight, honestly. But I know it's really dark in here. I showered. I'm about to edit my butt off, so that's pretty much what the rest of my night looks like. The tree is up, the decorations are up. It's like the whole thing, and I'm feeling really happy.